Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA. We are also trying to battle out a key resistance zone at around the $0.04385 mark, and a break above that resistance zone could trigger a massive move to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures in what I'll be terming as the formation of that larger Elliot wave country to the upside. We also have a chart pattern that is in formation right here on the 4-hour chart, which is a descending channel, which gave us a breakout to the lower side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.06337 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave contour to the upside of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave contour, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and it is within this red target area that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave. And you can see we retraced into that target area, giving us a low at around the $0.04085 mark, and there are chances that this low that we made over here could be the low for that second wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be a push to the upper side in a move that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.11796 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a retracement over here in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And for us to get back into the formation of this wave 3, there are key moves that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And the moment we manage to continue holding above the 20-day MA, then that will give us the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher. Manage to break above this resistance zone at around the $0.04348 mark. And the moment we manage to break above it, maybe we can also expect to see a retest. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher, continue unlocking higher prices, and also managed to break above the wave 1 high, which is at around the $0.06316 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 to fully maximize our target areas over here. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And taking a look at the indicators before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 46 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that from these low prices that he had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that larger Elliot wave contour to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that has now given us the low for that second wave. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a retracement in the formation of that wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term scenarios and also on the long term scenarios, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.